Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So I've been reviewing Huawei's gadgets, tech products for over 5 years now. And in that 5 years, I've seen Huawei's consumer business go through its fair shares of ups and downs. It's like a roller coaster ride. But despite all that, I still feel like there's been one consistent theme in all my Huawei reviews. Like that hasn't changed at all. It is that, in my opinion, I think Huawei makes some of the absolute best hardware in that specific product category, whether it's a laptop or a smartwatch or a smartphone. In my opinion, it's like the best looking, most well-built, most premium looking product in that category. It is in software where I usually have some gripes and nitpicks, and that is the case again for this brand new smartwatch. This is the Huawei Watch GT3, which I've been wearing for the past 48 hours. So this is not a review because 48 hours is not long enough to call it a review, but I have a pretty good impressions of it, particularly the undeniable fact that this is one of the best looking and most premium feeling smartwatches on the market right now. I mean, this thing looks damn good. Okay, so the Huawei Watch GT3 is launching in the UK first on November 10 with a starting price of 229 British pounds. That comes out to, I believe, 330 American dollars. I'm pretty sure it's also going to go on sale in other parts of Asia, including Hong Kong and other parts of Europe too. And for that price, you're getting a really premium feeling and looking device. So this is the larger 46mm model. There's also a 42mm variant, but this one has a 1.43-inch OLED display, and it gets very bright. In fact, it gets so bright that right now, what you're watching right now, it's at just 50% brightness. I've actually had to lower the brightness so I can film actually less than 50%. It's down here right now, so I can get it to show on camera properly, because if I increase it up to maximum brightness, you'll see that it actually looks a little bit blown out on this camera. That's how bright the screen gets. To get it to look good on camera, I have to lower it to 50%. So this excellent screen brightness means that I have not had trouble seeing the watch face even when I'm outside in Los Angeles on a sunny day, middle of the day with the sun shining directly on me. Now this screen has a resolution of 460 by 460 and everything looks really sharp. It's a really nice looking panel. The glass actually curves a little bit on the sides, so it's like a little bit of a chamfered edge. And to be honest, this watch makes the Galaxy Watch 4 look kind of cheap, because this watch actually ships with a genuine leather band, a leather strap. It feels premium, unlike on the Galaxy Watch 4, you get this little cheap plasticky strap that doesn't even wrap around your wrist properly. And it's not just Samsung, the Apple Watch, Fitbit Sense, they all ship with relatively cheap feeling rubber silicone straps. And the fact that the screen curves means that it actually blends seamlessly into the stainless body steel casing. Now around the back of the watch is a circular sensor with all the sensors that you can expect. So gyroscope, skin temperature sensor, air pressure sensor, so to test elevation, and this thing can track just about every fitness metric that you'd expect from a premium smartwatch. So step count, altitude, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature levels, so it will tell you if your skin temperature is warmer than usual, so you might have like COVID or something. It also has dual band GPS, so meaning it connects to more satellites around the world. So now, to be honest, I am a city person, so I'm either in LA or in Hong Kong, so I don't really need the dual band GPS. But if you're someone who lives somewhere more remote, or you like to go climb the highest mountains in the middle of like Thailand or something, then I'm pretty sure the dual band GPS will come in handy, because it will keep you connected longer, give you more accurate data too if you take this thing for a run. All the other smartphone components like a speaker, a mic, are both here. And as you can expect from a Huawei device, this has the best-in-class battery life. So on a single charge, this watch can last you 14 days on a single charge. The Apple Watch, by comparison, can give you a day and a half. The Galaxy Watch can last you like 2 days, and the Fitbit Sense can last you 5 days. 14 days on this. And when you need to top up this watch, you don't need to use the proprietary charging cable that comes with every smartwatch, because this thing can be charged wirelessly via Qi charging pad. So the exact same charging pad that charges your iPhone, or your Huawei phone or your Galaxy phone will also top up this watch. This watch is also rated 5 ATM for water resistance, so that means you can take it to the shower, you can take it to the swimming pool, you can take it to the beach without any issues. All that is jam-packed into this beautiful body that only measures 11 millimeters in thickness. Now the Apple Watch 7 is a little bit thinner at 10.7 millimeter, but this is still among one of the thinnest smartwatches in Android. Now looking at the right side of the stainless steel casing, you have a digital crown right here. This crown can be rotated and also pressed, and you can also rotate to navigate through the UI. And there's also a button down here for you can set whatever you want to launch with this button. For me, when I press this button once, it will jump into workout mode immediately. So this watch runs Harmony OS 2.1. It behaves mostly like many other smartwatches that you're used to. You swipe down from the top, you get these shortcut toggles. You swipe to the left, will cycle through all these cards, and then press of this bottom button will cycle through all the different workouts. So this watch can track over 100 workouts automatically. And I took this on a bike ride and it actually picked up my bike ride on the spot. Now, you know how earlier I said that with Huawei products, I'm always in love with the hardware, but there's some part of software that leaves me a little bit disappointed. Well, with this Huawei Watch GT3, it is once again the inability to respond to notifications. So right now I have a bunch of WhatsApp messages. I can tap into it to read, and that is it. I can't do anything else. I cannot respond to it. I can't even get rid of it like one by one. I have to either clear everything or just leave all my WhatsApp messages there. Now that is unfortunate because, as I've said before, in my opinion, a smartwatch is only worth wearing if it can make me check my smartphone less. Because otherwise, a fitness band can do almost all the exact same fitness tracking that I just talked about here. Now, to be fair, a fitness band doesn't look as nice as this, but still, ultimately, if I have to justify buying, paying like 300 something US dollars for a smartwatch, I need it to be able to make me check my phone less, and the number one reason I check my phone is to check notifications. So when I'm wearing an Apple Watch or a Samsung Galaxy Watch, whenever I get a WhatsApp message, I can read it, I can tap into it and respond with my voice, or I can scribble text. So that saves me from needing to pull out my phone. Unfortunately, the Huawei Watch GT3 cannot do that. Now, I don't know if this shortcoming is related to the fact that this watch runs Harmony OS, and Huawei smartphones, the new ones anyways, all run Harmony OS. And right now I'm paired to an Android device. And I'm not sure if Huawei can fix this with a software update down the line. To be fair, this is particularly to my personal preferences. I want to be able to respond to notifications on my wrist. Some other people don't care about that. If you just want a watch that looks really good, can give you accurate health tracking data, and also, you don't have to worry about charging, give you like awesome battery life, then the Huawei Watch GT3 is it. This is the best looking smartwatch on the market. In my opinion, it has the best battery life on the market, and that's not opinion, that is fact. This is a premium device for people who like classy looking smartwatches. Like I said, this is not a review. I haven't really put it through its paces yet in terms of tracking like heart rate, sleep, all that, but I've tested enough Huawei smartwatches to know that it should be pretty accurate. But I will be back with a full review down the line. Right now it's getting a little bit loud here because there's some skaters. I better get out of here. So that's it for this video. Take care. Thanks for watching.